Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon AK4 RGB Strip and MK4 RGB Strip cases. So friends, the Sharkoon has announced AK4W RGB Strip has plenty of space for modern hardware, room for up to 11 fans and tempered glass side panel that provide a clear view of installed hardware inside, and the front panel has indicated RGB strip along the base of the air-permeable mesh grille and providing a visual highlight in 16.7 million colors on the top panel, and the case is rounded off with up-to-date ports for wide range of mobile and peripherals device. Apart from the front panel and its air-permeable mesh grille design and RGB strip, the AK4W RGB Strip also had a side panel mode of tempered glass to showcase the hardware built on the atmospheric illumination inside. 420 mm fans are already pre-installed in the AK4W RGB Strip and 3 behind the front panel, and one 120 mm RGB PWM fan at the rear panel, and up to 11 fans will find room in the case. And in addition to conventional fan, the AK4W RGB Strip also support water cooling solution if required. Two radiator with up to 360 mm can be operated simultaneously, and apart from the conventional Mini-ITX, micro-ATX, ATX motherboard, and the AK4W RGB Strip is also compatible with almost all BTF format on the market. On the top panel, near to the front and case, modern TRRS and USB Type-C port are available for wide range of mobile and peripheral device, and in addition, a controller provides the connection and operation of up to 4 RGB LED components, while also serving as a hub for up to 4 PWM fans. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.